Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to mirror or link cells across worksheets in Excel. To begin, simply select the cell you wish to link from, then copy it. Next, navigate to your desired target worksheet and choose the cell where you want the mirrored data to appear. Right-click, select Paste Special, and then click Paste Link. This creates a dynamic connection, ensuring that any changes in the original cell are automatically reflected in the linked cell, saving you valuable time and effort. Linking an entire range of cells is just as straightforward. First, highlight the complete block of cells you want to mirror. Copy this selection. Then, move to your destination worksheet and click on the single cell where you want the top left corner of your linked range to begin. Again, right-click, choose Paste Special, and select Paste Link. This action will replicate the entire range, maintaining all relative cell references and ensuring your data stays perfectly synchronized across your sheets. Linked cells are designed to update automatically, reflecting any changes made in the original source cell. If you're linking across different workbooks, make sure both files are open to ensure real-time synchronization. Should you encounter a broken link, often indicated by a #ref error, it usually means the source file has been moved or renamed. You can easily manage and repair these connections by navigating to the Data tab and selecting Edit Links to update the source path. For more advanced linking, you can connect cells across entirely different workbooks. Simply start typing an equals sign in your target cell, then navigate to and select the source cell in the other workbook. Excel will automatically generate the full formula, including the workbook name. Alternatively, consider using named ranges for your source data. This makes your linking formulas much more readable and resilient, especially if you frequently reorganize your worksheets, providing a more robust and user-friendly approach to data management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.